Guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing alternating low side planks. To do these, we want one elbow directly under our shoulder, and we're going to have a nice wide base because we're going to be on our forearm. We want to stagger our feet, and now we've got our hips pressing away from the earth, so our oblique is super engaged here. And then we're just going to come onto the other forearm, making sure our upper back stays engaged as we come onto our opposite side. To learn more about how these are going to help build your core strength, go to KyraWilliamsFitness.com, sign up for online personal training, and let me create your workouts for you.